In this video, I will show you how to track your website from and send data Google Analytics for. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. The first work is Google Tag Manager or our website. We just connect and also connect Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics. I hope you can do it. My website and just go to the contact us options and look at that, and that is from here. So we just inspect there. So look at that, that is a WP form. Today we will track this WP form. So first of all, we go to our Google Tag Manager and just go to the variable sections and just wait and go to the category options, and there is the options here, the from related. So we can just open this kind of from related tags, and next just go to the Google Analytics 4 and go to the tag assistants and just wait and go to the inside there, go to the setting option and just off the from interaction. Okay, and just save it. Now we just go to our Google Tag Manager and select a new tags. So just select a new tag and select the Google Analytics 4 and just put down the measurement ID. So just inside there and set the inside ID and just write the WP from. So WP underscore from, WP from, and just trigger, just click the plus icon, click the pen icon and just trigger the element visibility. So we can see that we just submit our full form, just write our name, our mail address, our subject, and just write some message and send it. There is a, look at that, there is a thank you message here. So we just select the total thank you message and just inspect, and look at that, there is a inspect here, and just click the right button, just copy the, select the copy selector, just select it and just select the CSS selector and just paste here the selector and just write the WP from trigger's name. So just WP from trigger and just save it. Okay, just look at that, our total process is okay. There is the Analytics 4, the measurement ID, the event name, and just trigger it, the element visibility, and just write the tag names. So WP from, okay, sorry, WP from tags, and just save it. Just total process is okay. Now just preview it and see that is actually work or not. So look at that, our two tags here, there is the analytics base code and there is the WP from tags. Okay, so just preview and submit it, just submit. Okay, just loading here. Okay, just submit it and just preview. Okay, just connect. Look at that, our tag manager and website is already connected. Just go to the contact us and just submit the total forms. Okay, just send it. Okay, just look at that, our form submit is already completed, and go to the tag assistant and look at that, our two tags is already fired, the GA4 base code and WP form tags. And just go to the analytics. So just go to the debug view options and look at that, our WP form is already fired here. So that is for today guys, I hope you can understand. Is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.